character. I saw your smile through the screen, but somehow it felt so real, like a movie scene I never planned, but my heart knew how to feel. You said, is it really that deep? I said, believe me, it is, because your smile has a language, and my heart understands it. That little glow around your smile, your richness shining bright, it made me look again and again, like the stars had borrowed light. I don't need a perfect voice to sing what my heart can say. I just need you smiling there, and I'll find my melody. You are my main character in this film inside my heart. Every smile you give to me feels like a beautiful start. You are my favorite person, the one I want to know. Slowly, softly, truly let this sweet story grow. My main character, my main character. When you smile, the world feels better. My main character. You said maybe we can meet, and suddenly my world stood still. Coffee, food, and little songs, that is the dream I wanna feel. Before May says goodbye, let me see you face to face. No pressure, just two hearts laughing in a calm and lovely place. Trust me as your planner, I'll choose a moment right, where your laughter meets my stories, and the day turns into life. I wanna learn your quiet moods, your dreams, your little ways, to be the one you laugh with through ordinary days. You are my main character in this film inside my heart. Every smile you give to me feels like a beautiful start. You are my favorite person, the one I want to know. Slowly, softly, truly let this sweet story grow. My main character, my main character. When you smile, the world feels better. My main character. Pasensya ka ko'y huda, I want to love you right. Step by step, smile by smile, morning into night. Urimwiza, and I'll be hamya, no doubt inside my mind. If beauty had a heartbeat, it would be like yours tonight. If my voice should shake when I sing in front of you, just know it is not fear, it is my heart telling the truth. You are my man.